Doritos, hit me up for a sponsorship.
Good, bro.
Thanks. Alright, good afternoon everyone. We are making... Do you want to get in the video? I'm just telling you what we're making today. Well, I've already made brownies. Dad's eating them.
They're good.
Good reviews. They're from a box.
Really?
Yeah, they're not.
Still good.
Thanks, I'll take it. We are making Mexican corn fritter tacos today. That's what you'll be eating, Dad, in about 40 minutes.
You know, it's about quantity, not quality, don't you?
It's the other way around. The other way around in this kitchen. We'll be around when the tasting occurs. Alright, so basically, what you do is you find the code and then you match it with that package. So we've got lettuce, tomato, spice blend, don't know how I'll go with that, red onion, tortillas, avo, pretty squishy, corn, and chipotle sauce. I'm going to say my family has been having HelloFresh for about a month. About a month we've been going through recipes. There's a family of 5 of us, but we just get the family of 4. My brother doesn't tend to usually eat HelloFresh. He prefers to use the Uber Eats app and get a HSP every night. No shade, no hate, that's his choice. My mum, my dad, my sister and I, on the other hand, have been eating HelloFresh and we've been loving them so far. I'm not that adventurous with food, I would say. I could be more adventurous. So this has definitely helped me venture out in that department. Anyway, let's get cracking on the HelloFresh box. I have had a few requests to do some cooking videos, so that is why we're going to be cooking today. This HelloFresh meal is one of 4. We get 4 HelloFresh meals a week. Basically, you get a recipe like this, telling you what you need on this side, down the bottom what you need from the pantry, because they don't put like eggs and milk and stuff in the bag. And then a photo of what it should look like at the end. They put the hands-on prep time down the bottom and then the instructions, photos on the back. So it should be pretty straightforward. I used to love cooking. I would cook like cupcakes and cakes and stuff every week or so for the fam. And then I got into making 1 dinner a week for the fam. So we'll see how we go. Hopefully we don't fail and hopefully it's edible. But yeah, I've had a few requests to do some more cooking videos and stuff, so hope you enjoy. I'll try and talk you through everything I do. But last time I cooked with red onion, I literally bawled my eyes out, so. Not because it was emotional, because my eyes are like faulty and tear up. Alright, so first thing we need is a whole onion. I'm gonna do this way. Right, red onion, finely chopped. Finely chopped the tomato. Oh my god, guys, my eyes are watering now. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, breathe, 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 breathe. Oh my god. I need a minute, I'm just too emotional. Too emotional. Oh, my lash lady's gonna kill me. My lash lady is going to kill me. Oh. Okay, I think we solved it. We're back. Just try not to smell the onion, guys. When you're preparing, do not smell the onion because you start crying about things. Anyway, back onto the tomato. We're slicing. So Dad's thinking of doing like an Olympics challenge sort of thing in the backyard. We've got kind of a bigger backyard, so he wants to kind of... That was the nut. I didn't fart, by the way. Yeah, so Dad's thinking of doing like a challenge kind of thing in the backyard where like we have competitions or challenges or something like that. He wants to do... Everyone takes some sort of like fitness challenge. So Dad wants to like instruct people in how to go for a walk. He wants Olivia, my sister, to instruct people through a boxing lesson. He wants Mum to take us all through a yoga lesson and me through a netball lesson, which I think would be kind of challenging considering we don't even have a netball ring. Oh my god, my nose is literally leaking now because of that whole fucking emotional cheering situation. Let me wash my hands. Okay, we're back. I mean, I think it would be kind of fun. Let me know if you'd like to see something like that. I think that would be kind of fun. I think Dad's loving the camera. He's loving it. He wasn't too keen on it at the start. He's like, oh, I don't really want to be in it. Like, I don't want to be made a fool of. But now he's like, are you vlogging today? Do you want to go pick up my car? Do you want to go, Brooke, do you want to drop me here? And then just before you saw he was like in my video. How funny is that? Should probably read ahead, but I just don't. And I feel like this is for the guac. Pop out the pip. I like to use this as my rubbish bag as well. And I've only recently started peeling my avo, but I feel like it's so much easier. Look, you kind of dip your finger in there at the top and just peel it. You know? Alright, thinly slice. Alright, guys, checking back in. I've just fast forwarded that whole thing because you don't want to watch me solely chop avo, red onion, tomato. You want it sped up so we can get to the end product. Alright, boss, what's next? Shred the cos lettuce. So I've got 2 of these. I don't know what shred means. Does shred just mean like pull it apart? Dad, what does shred mean? It's the lettuce. Put the lettuce in a shredder. I don't know if that's right. Shred the cos lettuce. Hey Google. Hey Google. Hey Google. Hey Google. How do you shred lettuce?
Hey Google. Hey Google. Hey How do you shred lettuce?
Sorry, I can't help with that yet.
Not very helpful.
Google's no help.
Oh, Siri. How do you shred lettuce?
Okay, I found this on the web for how you shred lettuce.
Are you shredding iceberg lettuce?
Cos lettuce. Just like this, I guess.
You're going to reach a point when
You
you're cutting
probably have to cut it that way too.
more dome shape. So go ahead and just rotate that and chop it.
Alright, thank you.
Thanks, Siri.
Fun fact. Thanks, Siri.
Thanks, Siri.
How to shred. Shred? Cos lettuce. There you go. Alright. Shredded the cos lettuce. Drain the sweet corn. Drain the sweet corn in a small bowl. Combine the garlic, aioli, and mild chipotle sauce. Alright, also, I told you I was picky with my food. I have never really been a fan of corn, and we're literally cooking corn fritters. So it's a test to see if this is going to change my view on corn. What a test. I don't know why I haven't. Just corn and peas. I just found them both a bit boring because I feel like you used to get forced them as a kid. So you know, like when you get forced them, you're like, no, not eating it, not eating it. Anyway, that's drained. So we're going to put that into a little bowl. In a small bowl, combine the garlic aioli, which is this one. Mild chipotle sauce, come in little sachets like this. Smells good. So we're mixing the mild chipotle and the garlic aioli. Yum. Alright, set that aside. In a medium bowl, combine the onion, tomato, white wine vinegar, and a pinch of salt and pepper. So, red onion. I actually am also not a fan of tomatoes, so actually I've come around to it a bit. In like these little, this size is fine, but when you get like the big slices, no deal. Deal? No deal on the slices, no deal for me. Okay. Just use my fingers, I guess. White wine vinegar. Since HelloFresh, they've been using this in like every meal, and I love it now. I've never tried it before, but now I love it. Alright, how much of this do we need? Okay.
It'll be about half an hour. Do you want a hand, or are you okay?
No,
to
I'm
go?
good. Do you get to have my vlog?
Oh, hi. Hi, Brookie's vlog. Do you need anything from the shops? We've got everything in there.
No, we're all good.
Alright. Alright, honey, I'll just pop some pants on. I'll live and write here for dinner, Brookie.
I haven't actually heard from her. Alright, I'm going to choose a glass bowl so you guys can see what I'm doing in here. Spice blend is hot, use less if you're sensitive to heat. In a medium bowl, combine the sweet corn. Is that? The shredded cheese comes in a little package like this. Apparently this is really... Fuck. Apparently this is really spicy. god. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do a little bit.
Are these clothes in the screen bag, are they done? Did you go through them with camera
It's
or?
like that much left.
No, you can drive. Just take mine.
Half cup of plain flour.
Alright, half an hour you reckon?
My mistake, it was a cup because there's 4 of us. So a cup of that. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1 egg. Right, and then we're going to stir it up. So this is what the mixture looks like before we stir. And let's stir it up. So these, I'm guessing, is the corn. Take an educated guess here and say this is the corn fritters part of the recipe. Oh my god, it looks like tuna. Obviously not. Alright, this is what it looks like. It says if it's too, lift out some of the mixture with a spoon. If it's too wet and doesn't hold its shape, add a little more flour. Is that holding its shape? Alright. That, I'm going to call it a day there. No, kidding. I'm going to call that done. Okay, so we're nearly done, everyone. We're nearly done at this point. And I've just sent my parents to Richie's for half an hour because they're annoying me. Okay, we are going to do the corn fritters now on here. So I think I'm going to pop you up here. Up here. And you can have a little bird's eye view of what's going on. Basically, we're cooking the corn fritters on here as far as I can tell. That's what we're doing. My puppy's looking at me. Hi. Hi, Cha. Guys, look at my cute little puppy. Hi. Do you want some corn fritter? Hey guys, so just checking back in. I'm cooking these corn fritters. 6 fritters per person. So if there's meant to be 4, 4 times 6 is 24. Should get 24 fritters. Alright guys, so my parents still not home. I have just finished. I have a lot of mess on there, but I cooked, so I'm not cleaning up. That's the rules in this house. Also a lot of mess here, but that's again same sort of thing. I'm going to show you what our finished product looks like compared to the photo. I think it's actually pretty similar. Let me show you. Alright, so this was the photo of what it needed to look like. This is the corn fritters. This, it's obviously not put together yet, and then we've got these mini tortillas. Alright, we're gonna try a corn fritter just because I can't wait for my parents to get home to tell you if I like them or not. Keep in mind that I'm not a corn fan. Like, if I go out and get veggies on the side, I won't eat the corn. That's like what I mean by I'm not a corn fan, but obviously there's corn in this. There's something really nice in this. I'm not sure what it is. Let me try it in a sauce. I'm also not very good with spice, so let me give this a go. Oh god, that's a lot. I'm not gonna survive this. Oh my god, it's so hot. I'm going to finish this whole water bottle. Sorry everyone, one sec. It's probably just my taste. Oh my god. My dog just got inside. What are you doing here? This is Charlie. She is a little Jack Russell, cross red yellow I think, I'm not actually too sure. Mum walked in with her one day. She's from a pet store. We saved her life. You're so lucky we saved your life. She's an outside dog though, so I have no idea how she actually got inside. It's a question for us all. Anyway, I'm going to give the corn fritters a thumbs up. I can only imagine that the corn fritter tacos, the combo, is good as well. I will show you my parents' reactions. Stay tuned for that. But the corn fritters on their own, beautiful. They actually fill you up a bit. I'm actually starting to be a bit full, Charlie. She's so scared. She never comes inside unless she's like chilling with me upstairs in my room. Isn't that right? Anyway, I'm gonna go drink a litre of water after that chipotle mayo sauce and catch up with you another time. Yep, and some avo. And then you can add some lettuce.
Shredded lettuce.
Shredded lettuce. Thanks, Siri. Some salsa, chipotle mayo, and there's some extra spices here as well.
Wow.
Some salsa.
Alright, so what do we do? Take one of these.
Yep.
And what?
I'm standing there eating.
What's your thoughts, Dad? Give me your thoughts.
God.
Very nice. I think I went a bit heavy on the balsamic though.
Well, that's a you issue because that was on your own accord.
Actually not in the
No, it's good.
menu.
That's on your
I'm
own
going to make a couple.
kind of disaster over there. Mum, I need you to try one.
Sounds good. I'm going to make a couple and go and sit down. Standing and eating is not in the
It's not very
rules.
hygienic using your hands. Mum likes to make it look the same as the
Picture.
The
I
picture.
do. You're right.
I might make two too.
I love a burrito.
What are your thoughts?
Oh, I like the corn fritter.
You do?
Mm.
And
Really good.
I was meant to add both of these spice packets, but I went a bit light-handed on them for obvious reasons.
Mm.
What are your thoughts?
Mm. I don't like it too spicy.
Yeah, so you're happy with it?
Looks very
Perfect.
nice, Brooke.
Okay.
Very good.
It's so yummy.
I'm glad, everyone.